6:22, we are on your side this morning, helping to keep you looking young. I misspoke moments ago. I said anti-aging. Jeffrey Ring is here from Myo Technologies, not anti-aging.
Youth preservation.
Youth preservation. I like that. I like that. Good morning. How are you?
Very well. And yourself?
Good, thank you. Let's talk about youth preservation. We all want to stay looking young. It's, you know, we can't help it. We are aging, but there are a lot of options out there for us. What are people using these days?
Well, your traditional treatment, of course, if you've got a lot of money and you don't mind pain and possible, complications, is your plastic surgery. I mean,
so that sounds attractive.
Yeah, nothing will ever replace that.
Yeah.
And if you can find a board-certified plastic surgeon to help you with that, that really turns back the clock. But you've got to, you don't want to end up like a few unnamed celebrities who, look like they can't close their eyes at sometimes. So other people want to go less invasive as well. So you get into your Botox and your collagen fillers, Diasport, Juvederm, where you can, get fillers to help replace those wrinkles. And
do those last a shorter amount of time than something like a plastic surgery would last?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It depends on the person, but usually 3 to 6 months, depending. So it just depends, obviously, on the person. So.
And then next step down, are we talking like creams and stuff? Well,
you can also, the in-between of that is the lasers and some of the radio frequencies, Fraxel, Thermage, some of the other ones, but you're actually wounding the skin to cause collagen production.
Okay.
So, again, it hurts. Some people say it's very painful. You have to take a sedative, actually, to have some of those procedures done. So.
No. I have a feeling you're going to tell me that myotonology does not hurt.
I am going to tell you that.
We can hopefully get, maybe in this camera over here, get a shot of this. This is sort of a before and after picture. This is something that you do out of your offices in Wilmington?
Absolutely. And I'm actually a corporate trainer, so I end up traveling quite a bit. But I have my my favorites that we're still working on. We're doing, and I've actually I've put 95% of the people that I've done a treatment on, I've actually put them to sleep at one point or another. So very relaxing.
Wow.
And it mimics the body's natural electric current to help stimulate collagen, elastin growth, and help your skin heal itself naturally.
So that picture we were looking at, that's a before and after, a woman in her 50s who's had the treatment. How does the treatment work?
It's a electric current in the microamperage range.
Okay.
So it's
very,
very small. Most of the time it's subsensory, actually, so you can't even really feel it. Some people are more sensitive than others, but it stimulates the cells in your body to make more collagen, make more elastin, increases circulation and lymphatic drainage. So it helps your skin heal itself naturally. Instead of forcing it to do it, it stimulates it to do it.
Expensive?
Depends. Not too expensive, and definitely not as expensive as a
facelift.
Yeah, as a facelift.
Well, we'll put more information about the treatment on the consumer page at WBTV.com so that you can check it out if you're interested. Thanks for coming in.
Absolutely.
Telling us about all the options there for, what was it called again?
Myotonology.
Okay, myotonology.